Alright, let's sever this pinky. Oh.
They're gonna turn on the fan automatically, right? So this is what's gonna happen when they turn on the fan. Oh!
What's up, pranksters? Welcome back. I'm here with Sinfado, aka Omega Skull.
And in today's video, we're gonna be showing you guys 5 creepy Halloween pranks that you guys can do at home. It's very simple to do, no effort whatsoever. I hope you guys enjoy it.
If you guys can't wait for Halloween and want to start pranking your friends and family members, these are the pranks to do them with. Before we begin though, let's make sure that you guys are subscribed to this channel with the bell notifications turned on. That way you guys don't miss out on our upcoming Halloween videos. Let's get these pranks going. Give this video a big thumbs up. 1,000 likes are appreciated. Check it out. Alright, so if you guys are planning on doing some Halloween pranks at school, this one is awesome. It's quite easy, guys. Just go to your local dollar store and get yourself a fake severed rubber hand like this one. I know, it looks disgusting, but it totally works, guys. Now, I was at the store and I was looking for severed fingers and I couldn't find any, but I found this hand and I think this hand would work best for that anyway. So which finger should I cut? Because we gotta cut one of these fingers. One of them's already been cut, so the ring finger's gone. Should I go for the thumb? I think the pinky. What do you think, Sinfado?
Yeah, I said let's go for the pinky.
Alright, let's sever this pinky. Thanks for the cool sound effects. Ah.
Oh, there he goes.
Ooh, and look at that. Actually, inside had a little bit of cotton in there. Makes sense. Alright, so I have my severed pinky right here, guys. We're gonna put this aside for now. Next, get yourself a glue stick. These are very common in the classroom. So if you have one of these, that's perfect. Pop it open and we are gonna have to sacrifice the glue itself. So let's twist the bottom till we have completely removed everything. And that one just split. So remove everything, guys, and it should look a little something like this. Now, as far as the cap inside, we're gonna apply some hot glue right on the center. Make sure you put a lot of it in there. Once you have your glue in there, you're gonna take your pinky and place it on the center as well. And we're gonna let this dry. So look at that little pinky. Alright, then if you notice there's a little spiral in the center, you guys can get rid of it, but I don't think I need to for this occasion because the pinky's small and it'll fit on the side. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna fill up this glue stick with fake blood. So it should look a little bloody like this.
Pretty creepy, huh?
Very creepy. The creepier the better, guys. And now we're gonna take the cap with the pinky and put it inside the container like so. Shake it a bit so you get some blood on the pinky. Put this on your desk and whoever wants to borrow this glue stick will be in for a creepy surprise, especially on October 31st. So now before I get to this demo, guys, I want to let you guys know that I love using fake blood and I've used it in so many of my past videos, so check those out if you haven't yet. Anyway, somebody borrows your glue stick. Now, they don't know any better. When they attempt to use it, this is what's gonna happen. They're gonna pull out the cap. It's gonna have this severed finger sticking out. Results vary, guys, so you might get a little drop of blood or you could get a big drop depending on how they hold their glue stick. For example, that.
Look at that.
It's the pinky that does it. Oh.
Oh.
Imagine writing with the pinky. Look at that. Who says you can't write with a finger? It's very creepy, guys, and it's very fun. Try it out, guys. Really, I highly recommend this prank for Halloween at school.
So what's up, guys? For this prank, as you guys can see here, what do I have? I have some caterpillars, right?
Oh, they look nasty, man.
Yeah, they look really creepy. There's 6 of them in there. You guys are probably wondering what I'm gonna use this for, right? I'll tell you in a bit. But also on my left hand, as you guys can see right here, very Halloween-ish. What do I have? Some, yep, you guessed it, some centipedes. These 2 items right here, They only cost me $1 each, maximum $2 and about 10 cents with tax at your local dollar store or your local Walmart. What do I have above me, guys? I have a fan.
Is that your biggest fan?
Well, for now it's my biggest fan, but you guys are my fans, and when I hit 1 million subscribers, because I plan on starting my channel pretty soon, Omega Skull, you guys will probably be my biggest fans. But for now, I guess this is my only fan.
How sad is that?
So with this fan, I'm going to be placing I guess you could say a really creepy prank on somebody, and they're not going to expect it because obviously on top of the fan, you cannot see, right? So it's a perfect hiding spot for these little guys right here. And what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna take them out of the packaging, and on each blade fan, I'm gonna put some on there, and whenever somebody comes in and hits the switch, either there or here, those little bugs are gonna fly out and they're gonna freak out. No matter who it is, they're not gonna expect it. So if it looks like a bug, everybody's gonna freak out.
Yeah,
right?
Nobody likes bugs these days.
Nobody likes bugs. So they're gonna freak out. It's gonna be so fun and exciting to do. So let's get started for you guys right now. So as you guys can see, I took these guys out of the packaging, and this is what they look like. Individually, guys, they look kind of creepy. It looks like a legit insect, right?
That's a centipede?
Yeah, and there's so many of them, as you guys can see right there.
Caterpillars look.
Yeah, these caterpillars look even worse. Look at that right there. And he's a lime green, so who would want that one, right? So on each one of these blades, what I'm gonna do is put some of these bad boys on top of them to get the prank set up for somebody. Just like that there. Another one. Maybe we'll put 3 of these. And 1 caterpillar right there. Alright guys, so I've set up this prank pretty nicely now. They're all up there, as you guys can see now. You guys cannot really see them, so let me take that back. You guys can't see them, but they're up there. They're ready to go. Those little guys are ready to scare somebody. So, let's say your mom or your sister or your dad comes in the room, right? So it's just like, I feel kind of hot. So now, they're going to turn on the fan automatically, right? So this is what's going to happen when they turn on the fan. Oh!
Well,
as you guys can see right there, they're gonna most likely be stunned by it.
I got
one. Next got one. And they're gonna have a blast with it. At first they're gonna be thrown off and be scared and probably run for their lives. But after they calm down, they'll probably enjoy it.
Look at those bugs.
Look at all of them, guys. They spread out everywhere, so it's pretty cool. It worked out perfectly. And I'm sure it's gonna work out perfectly for you guys as well. What's up, guys? This one, as you guys can see here, I have what? A severed hand, right?
Where'd you get that from?
I also got it from the dollar store. Now you might say, Jesus Christ, this guy loves the dollar store, right? Well, I do.
Who doesn't?
Yeah, especially Next. Just a little 411, this guy's always there. I saw him there last week. Has nothing to do with this, but I just thought I'd throw it out there.
Hey, I'm not ashamed.
Well, anyways, for this Halloween prank, it's one of the most basic, one of the ones that everybody falls for, right? The handshake with a fake hand. And like I said, this is a buck. It won't cost you a lot. $1 you could find on the floor, 4 quarters, right? And it'll help you get this little prank going. So in order to pull this off, guys, you need a hoodie just like I have here. So what you guys want to do is put your hand all the way down your sleeve, just like that, to leave that space open.
So it has to be a long sleeve.
So now you got that ready, you grab your severed hand and you just want to put it in there, just like I'm doing so here. Pull the sleeve all the way down to make it look lifelike, right? Now look at that, guys. Doesn't that look real? It looks like I have some busted fingers on the right here, right? But other than that, if you look at it from this angle, it looks pretty cool, right? Looks legit. So you put it down by your waist like this, and you wouldn't think nothing of it if I had my other one down right here, right? I'm gonna do it on Next to show you guys an example. Hey, yo, what's up, Next?
What up, man?
Oh!
This is a classic prank. What I like about this is that you can keep repeating this prank on anybody. You just put it back into your sleeve and just wait for your next victim.
Yeah, once you find your next victim, this little handshake is ready to go. Ah! It's ready to go.
Alright, so this next prank, guys, is a Halloween prank that you guys can pull off in the bathroom. For example, here I have a brush. Now this brush won't play much part in this prank, but it is bait. So let's say that somebody's looking for this brush. Let's say your sister or your brother or somebody needs this brush and they ask you, hey, where's the brush at? You tell them it's underneath the sink. So underneath the sink, we're gonna put it. Let's just throw it in there. Now, right here I have a bucket. This is a treat bucket and you use it to go trick-or-treating. Also in there I have a fake heart that I got at the dollar store. Look at that. All it needs is blood, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna throw this in there, just like that. We're also gonna throw some fake bugs in there with the heart. Look at that. And here I have some Kool-Aid.
Oh yeah.
Which I'm gonna open, and this is fruit punch. So you know fruit punch is red, the color of blood. So we're gonna sprinkle some of this on the heart, inside the bucket, on the bugs, so it should look a little something like this. And then what do? Simple, we just add water. So I'm gonna turn on the faucet. Look at that. It's red, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good enough.
Little bloodbath.
With bugs and a heart. Now we're gonna take this bucket and we're gonna leave it on the edge below the sink. Somewhat tilting, like it's gonna fall, but the door is gonna keep it from falling, just like that. At this point, guys, the prank is set. Of course, from that angle, you guys can see the bucket, but as they're coming from my angle, from my side, they won't see it. And if you already told them that it's underneath the sink, they won't really think much of this. Carelessly, they'll walk over, look inside. Oh, ew, that's gross. What is that, blood? A heart?
You guys can take Kool-Aid and Kool-Aid will have the same effect as blood at a lower cost.
Definitely. Yeah, fake blood is expensive, guys. So if you need to use a lot, use Kool-Aid.
Look at that.
Yeah, that's pretty gross.
Pretty awesome little prank that you guys can do for Halloween. What do I have in my hand right here? I got a severed zombie hand and it seems to be burned, as you guys can see right here, right? Pretty cool little prop if I say so myself. Now what do I have here? A little liter of Halloween blood. These are the two main things that you need. So I'm gonna take my hand and I'm gonna cut it right here at the top to make a hole in it to put this blood in. I'll explain as I go for you guys what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna cut right here and that's gotta hurt this guy, right?
Oh yeah.
Look at that. If this guy was alive, he'd probably be punching me right now.
So the hand is hollow in there?
Yeah, it's hollow. Yeah, there's nothing else in there, guys. So you're good to go. So after you cut your hand, you go over to the mirror, you take a piece of tape, and what you do is take some staples, and you guys want to put a little ledge for your hand to sit on. So you put it right on the corner, just like that. Put a tape on one side and make it come all the way around just like that. And now you've created a little ledge, right? So next we're gonna take our severed hand that's already been cut wide open, and we're gonna take some blood and we're gonna put it in there now. Just like this. Look at that, guys. There goes the blood. Now the more you put in here is gonna be the better effect. So we're good with that. Next you're gonna take your hand and put it on this little ledge. Just like that there. So let it sit on there. Now you want to close the little cabinet door. Just like that. Alright, so when your victim comes in and they see this cabinet, right? What are they going to think themselves immediately? Who left the cabinet door wide open, right? So what they're going to do is close the cabinet door. So when they close the cabinet door, let's check it out. What's going to happen, guys? Oh my goodness! And look at that there. The hand's gonna fall down, it's gonna splatter blood everywhere, and it's gonna freak the heck out of somebody, right? I know, I saw it and I was terrified right away.
A severed zombie hand that still has blood. Do zombies bleed?
Zombies do bleed, I believe so. Look at that there.
I like the mirror effect right there.
Yeah, the mirror looks really awesome. Everybody's gonna have different results with this, guys. Have fun with it. Like I said, you don't have to buy that expensive blood like we did. If you put a whole bunch of red Kool-Aid in there, it's gonna work just the same. So there you guys go, look at that. The hand is still bleeding out blood. And they're gonna be freaked out. They're gonna run out of here and probably look for you. So have fun with it.
Oh.
So that was 5 creepy Halloween pranks that you guys can pull off at home. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, leave a comment below for Nextraker. Let us know what you think about it. Subscribe if you haven't already.
Please do, guys. And if you guys can't wait for more Halloween pranks, below is a playlist where you guys can find more pranks that I've done in the past. They're very simple to do, just like the ones you guys just saw. Please don't miss out on my upcoming videos. Subscribe. We'll see you pranksters in the next video. So this is me knocking on my neighbor's door, trick-or-treating. Well guys, this is what's gonna happen. Trick or treat! You'll definitely get all your neighbors with this. Try it out. They might actually give you more candy because of the prank. Alright, let's do this again. This is what's gonna happen when somebody tries to close this cabinet door. Look at that.